Hey there, and Merry Christmas. Now, everyone's been sharing their Christmas present hauls, so I thought I'd jump in and share something a little different. This survival advent calendar that I got for Christmas. So, let's get into it. Day 1, or technically the big starter box. We have this high quality red and black carrying case. Next up, we have a carabiner compass, followed by a tactical pen. After that, there's a mini flashlight, then a water bottle buckle clip, which is actually super handy. Moving on, we have a fishing lure, a mini pill bottle, and then some soft bait. After that, there's a multifunctional spoon and knife set, which is great for camping or emergency situations. Next, we've got a survival bracelet, followed by a multifunctional survival card. There's also a whistle, another carbender, and a paracord keychain with a carbonder attached. Up next is an anti-loss keychain, then a multi-purpose tool pliers, which is definitely one of the most useful pieces in here. After that, we have a wire saw, followed by 4 fire starter ropes. Then we get a fishing line set, the fire starter, yet another carbender. You can never have too many, and some parachute rope. And then finally, to wrap it all up, pun intended, we have an emergency life blanket, which is a must have in any survival kit. Overall, this is a really cool and practical gift, and I love that it combines the fun of an advent calendar with actual survival gear you can use. Definitely a unique Christmas present, and I'm really happy with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.